just taken out the spark plugs to check them, and here they are. So I took this off. It's like the distributor. They look a bit worn. So now it looks cleaner. Build-up of material or dirt on this. There's some metal there. I just need to clean it, I think. Yeah, I cleaned it. I bought a new distributor cap and the rotor. I don't know, but I hope it will fix the problem that I'm having. Here's the old one and here's the new one. Look at this one, it's really like worn through. I mean, if it continues, it might break off. I've been having this issue with the engine. Like if you wanted to gain some speed and you push the pedal down, it would like... I'm losing the power when I'm like hitting the gas pedal to the floor. So I started going through all of these things that people mention on the internet. So I did the fuel system, and yeah, there was one pump that was broken, but there was not much difference after that. So I'm just hoping that this is causing the issue with the ignition. Like if you look at the new ones, they look like completely flat and shiny. So I got this new piece on there. They have to be in the same order. So I'm gonna replace the old spark plugs for new ones. Let's see if it starts. Maybe I did something wrong, so it won't even start. What's going on? Right, I did a small trip here, and it's working way better. But it's not perfect. It's like still jerking a little bit, but you notice that you have some jerking, like it's losing power. It doesn't like evenly go up to speed. So I suspect that the gearbox needs some oil, so I'm gonna fill it with oil. But to get it off, there's a bolt that is the size 13. First I use this. I use this to try to get it off, and it exploded. So I bought another one, more fancy one, which you can like extend the handle. And it broke also up here. So this is just spinning freely. It's not attached to the... So yeah. So they're both broken, and I have, which I also tried with, to like go up a size so I can get it on this. I actually had two of them to adapt, so I could have a 13 in size thing and then still use the big wrench. But I broke this one also, so I had to buy a new one. I've already thrown it away. So I went and bought a 13 size socket for 1/2 inch, so it will fit directly here. And then I'm gonna try again and see if I break this one also, because that bolt is not coming out. But we'll see what happens now. This one worked. It was this bolt that didn't want to come off, but this worked, and now it's loose. I'm gonna take this off and take a look. So we'll put it in here and just pump in the oil into the transmission. So now we have the oil dripping out of the hole, which means we're full. So now I just need to put back the bolt, and we're good with the transmission. We probably got in more than a liter in there, so